Hello friends, most welcome to our YouTube channel adsharma Educations. Today we will discuss on political theory MCQs. So let's start with today MCQs tests. Question number first, who made this statement? If a thing is morally wrong, it can never be political right. Here these quotation has two parts, the morally wrong and political right. Choose the right answer. A. Foy, B. Aristotle, C. Plato, D. David Stern. Right answer is Foy. Now we discuss the question number 2. Separate history and politics and one become the cripple. If not a crops, the other will wisp. Who wrote the above? Alternate A. First Fergus, B. J.S. Mill, C. Rousseau, D. Charles Darwin. Choose the right answer. Right answer is Burgess. So question number 3, hyperfactualism of the David Stern is related to, as you knew, do you know the friend, hyperfactualism, the main feature of the behaviorism, A. Study of regularity, human regularity, B. Use of technique, C. Verification, D. Fact value dichotomy. The right answer is fact value dichotomy, because the fact value dichotomy related to hyperfactualism. Question number 4, behaviorism and most behaviorism are the major event. Who wrote the above? Option A. David Stern, B. Hinjulau, C. Robert Godin, D. Robert Dahl. Choose the right answer. C. Robert Godin. Now we discuss the question number 5. The sequence of development of political theory is: first traditionalism, B. behavioralism, 3. new traditionalism, 4th post-behavioralism, 5. postmodernism. Dear friend, as you know, traditionalism effective in political science till Second World War, it means 1945. Behavioralism effective in political science 1940-50 decade. New traditionalism is effective in political science 1960 decade. Post behavioralism effective in political science 1960-70 decade. Postmodernism effective in political science 1970 decade. So right answer is A, B, C, D. Right answer is first 2, 3, 4, B. Now we discuss the question number 6. Political theory is an impulseless and neutral activity. This statement is Andrew Hacker, B. Sabine, C. David Stern, D. Gardner. Right answer is Andrew Hacker. Question number 7. Does not agree with the historical approach. Quentin Skinner, J. Peacock, Michael Walzer. The first three thinker supports the historical approach. Quentin Skinner wrote a book, a very short introduction of Niccolo Machiavelli. J. Peacock and Michael Walzer also used the historical approach, but Andrew Hacker related to behavioristic approach. The right answer is D. Now we discuss the question number 8. Who supports traditional perspective of political science? Choose the right answer. A. Catlin, B. Lasky, C. Dahl, D. David Stern. As you know the friend, Lasky is the traditional thinker. He believes in value, especially equality value. So right answer is B. Now discuss the question number 9. Thinker related with the traditional perspective is Plato, David Stern, Harold Laswell, David Apter. As you know friend, the last three options, the thinker related to behavioralism. Only Plato is related to traditionalism because he study the justice value, So right answer is Plato. Now we discuss the question number 10. A scholar related to the modern perspective is Hegel, Aristotle, Locke, David Stern. So choose the right answer. Right answer is David Stern. Now we discuss the question number 11. Approach related to the modern perspective. Modern means behavioralism. The behavioralistic perspective. Option is A. Philosophical approach, B. Historical approach, C. Behavioral approach, D. Legal approach. Dear friend, as you know, the modern perspective related to approach behavioralism and the post behavioralism. So right answer is behavioral approach. Now we discuss the question number 12. Slogan of post behavioralism were man is born free, B. Liberty, equality and fraternity, C. Man is rational animal, D. Action and relevance. Choose the right answer, dear friend. Right answer is action and relevance, because post behavioralism believe in code of relevance. Post behaviorist thinker believe in relevance. So right answer is action and relevance. Now discuss the question number 13. History is nothing but past, politics is politics, and politics is nothing but current history. Who is the author of this statement? Option A, Seeley, B. Freeman, C. Laswell, D. Barker. Right answer is Freeman. Freeman says history is nothing but past politics and politics is nothing but current history. Now we discuss the question number 14. Who supports positivism perspective in sociology? Plato, J.S. Mill, Karl Marx, Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte was a famous sociologist, believe in positivism perspective. Now we discuss the question number 15. History without political science has no fruit. Political science without history has no root. Who wrote the above? Choose the right answer. A. Seeley, B. Willoughby, C. Lord Acton, D. Burgess. Right answer is Seeley. Seeley. Believe in fruit and root. Now question number 16. Who support classical liberalism? As you know friend, classical liberalism believe in free competition, free economy, blue economy. So here answer is, the correct answer is A. Adam Smith, B. David Stern, C. Montesquieu, D. Charles Darwin. So correct answer is Adam Smith. Adam Smith is famous classical liberalist thinker. He believe in free economy, blue economy. His famous book Wealth of Nation. Now we discuss the question number 17, dear friend. Which subject is the closest one to political science in modern times? History, economics, sociology, psychology. Right answer is economics. Because we are living in globalization era, political science also become global. Question number 18. Who made this statement? Politics is ethics with large. A. Aristotle, B. Rousseau, C. Foy, D. Ivor Brown, E. Plato. Choose the right answer, dear friend. Right answer is E. Plato. Question number 19. The specialty of traditional approach is note. Use of secondary data, formal institution, critical study, use of technique. Dear friend, as you know, use of technique main feature of behavioralism. So right answer is D. Now we discuss the question number 20. Does not agree with traditional institute approach. Option A, David Easton, B, Durwarger, C, Lasky, D, Jean Blondley. As you know friend, David Easton criticized the traditional institute approach. So right answer is David Easton. Question number 21st. Good, bad, main features of traditional theory, behavioralism, post-behavioralism, none of the above. Good, bad is the main feature of the traditional approach perspective. Now we discuss the question number 22. Which of the following is different? Political development, political modernization, voting behavior, bureaucracy. First three concepts related to behavioralism. Last concept bureaucracy related to traditionalism. So right answer is bureaucracy, D. Now we discuss the question number 23. Who among the following has given concept of pure theory of politics? B. Jonel, Jürgen Habermas, Arnold Brecht, Miahan. Choose the right answer, dear friend. Right answer is Bertrand Jonel. He wrote his famous book, The Pure Theory of Politics. He believed in ethics, he believed in value, he criticized the positivism, behavioralism. Now we discuss the question number 24. According to liberal theorists, what is the just way to eliminate the inequalities? Option A, free and open competition. B, a written and rigid constitution. C, stable government. D, an educated society. As you know, friend, classical liberalism या liberal theory believe in free competition, free society, free economy. The right answer is free and open competitions. Now we discuss the question number 25. Who discussed the three elements factual, causal, and the evaluational in political theory? A. Karl Marx, B. David Easton, C. Karl Popper, D. Sabine. Sabine discussed the three elements of political theory factual, causal, and the evaluational. He is the traditional thinker. So, right answer is D. Now we discuss the question number 26. Who said that traditional theory of sovereignty is a venerable superstition? Option A, Harold Joseph Lasky, B. R. M. McIver, C. J. N. Figgis, D. Eddie Lindsay. Right answer is J. N. Figgis. Okay, dear friend, thank you so much. We will meet next video. Thank you very much, dear friend.